So, what's up, ladies and gentlemen, meine Damen und Herren? This is going to be my first tutorial video. Yeah, and I'm going to try and see if I can replace the battery on my iPhone 4S. So, we got some music. I have a nice beer here. There's my camera, there we go. So, we'll see what happens. But before I start, I want to say, yeah, I got this from Amazon, ordered it a day and a half ago, and it got here today. It's from Screenshop EK an der Lange Straße 20 in Wertheim. Postleitzahl 97877. So this box is, this kit is from Screenshops Incorporated in Wertheim in Germany, and the zip code is 97877. So it says here, you know, if you have any problems, questions, etc., give us a call, write us an email, or write us on Facebook. And it says in German, ja, war der Akkuwechsel erfolgreich? Teilen Sie Ihren Erfahrungsberichte mit Freunden auf Facebook. Ja, und dann sollten Sie Fragen oder Anregungen zur Reparatur oder der Box haben, kontaktieren Sie uns. Ja, also, ich weiß noch nicht. Ich habe es noch nicht gemacht. Yeah, so I can't give him a comment or give him any stars or anything because I'm not completed yet. But as you can see, you get in the box, you get the battery. You also get a cool little bag here that has 3 different screwdrivers. 1, 2, and 3. You also get a little oh, what is this thing called? This little thing here. I have no idea. It's kind of like a pry bar. It's like a little plastic pry bar with like a flathead screwdriver on one side and a pointed edge on one side. And then there's also a little suction clip to clip the bag on wherever you want to. And it also has the little key to, to eject your SIM card. So we're going to give this a try. It also comes with a cleaning cloth as well. Ja, also dieser Reparaturkit kommt mit die 3 verschiedene Schraubenzieher. Ja, 3 verschiedene Schraubenzieher, wie du gerade gesehen hast. Und so eine SIM-Karte und auch so ein Schlüssel, um die SIM-Karte zu entfernen. Und das hat auch so ein Schlitzschraubenzieher, irgendwas Dingens hier. Und sozusagen so ein Spitze. Auf einer Seite so ein Schlitz und auf einer Seite so Spitze, damit du die die Verbindung oder der Anschluss, der Batterieanschluss entfernen kannst. So, let's start this. Let's see. Let's give it a try. I drück mir die Daumen. Also I'm crossing my fingers for myself, and y'all should too. I press my thumbs. So let's do it. So first you got to disconnect the 2 bottom screws. So we're gonna do this right now. And the screwdrivers, they are magnetized as well. So now I need some more music. Yeah, this is the new album from Andy the Core. It's pretty cool. I like it. So first screw is out. We're gonna put that in there. The second screw is out. That's going to go in there too. So the back of the phone should just simply slide up. We'll use this little thing here to pop it open. So here we see the inside of the iPhone. So here's this warning: potential fire or burning. Do not disassemble, puncture, crush, heat, or burn, or play in the bath with it. So now, the next step is we need to take the 2 screws that hold the cover on the battery. We need to remove those. So we're going to go ahead and remove those right now. So, the first screw is out, and make sure not to lose the screws because, you'll be SOL. Also, ihr sollt die kleine Schrauben überhaupt nicht verlieren, sonst hast du die Arschkarte. Und die sind so mini klein, ja, das könnte passieren. So, that's now finished. We're gonna take the flathead thing of this, and we're going to pop this up. Oh wait, this side, excuse me. So, is that thing out? That is out. Oh, wait. Let's see here. What do I do wrong? Am I stupid or something? No. Wait. Let's see here. That attaches to... Wait a second. Let's open up the battery here. See. Aha! Then never mind. So, here's the new battery. I just took it out of the package. I'll slip this right here. So make sure that the antenna, there's a little antenna bracket, this metal antenna bracket, you don't lose that, because if you do, you're SOL as well. So I grabbed a pair of tweezers so I could pick it out. So there we go. And make sure you know how you removed it so you can safely put it back together. So we're going to lay that in here, like so. So the next step is to take this plastic tool with the flathead surface, or flathead edge, and you want to pry the battery out of here, which has like sticky stuff on it, but as you can see on my phone, it's not really sticky anymore, because I've had this phone for about 4.5 years, and I've only replaced the battery once, and this will be the second time. So now here's the old battery. As you can see, here it is. Yeah, you have done me well, thank you, appreciate it. So that's basically it. Now, I was noticing in some of the videos that I had previously watched that it comes with replacement adhesive to put on here, but I'm touching this and it's still quite sticky, so I'm not going to worry about that. So now, here's the new battery. We want to put it back in here, but first we want to take, let's see, do I want to do this first? Yeah, okay, so I have here's the new battery. I just put it in, set it in there, push it in there. Now before I push and connect the battery to the terminal on the phone, I want to put the antenna doo-woppy thing I want to put this back on without messing up. So let's do this here, or bending it or anything. So I want to put this back on, and there's 2 screws that you have to loosen, as you saw previously, and you want to match up the top screw hole with the antenna, because that also has a hole in it too. I'm going to match those 2 up so you can screw it back into place. Well, that's not going to work. Let's see how I'm going to do this. I'm going to try this again. I'm glad I don't do this for a living because it would take me hours to complete battery replacements on phones. Scheiße. Oh, so ein Scheiß hier. Oh, meine Fresse. Yo. But you want to make sure, before I forget, back up your phone, take out your pictures, do a complete backup first before you do this. In the case that something happens and you lose everything. So now let's try this again. So, I just pushed it back in. So, we're basically almost done, or I'm basically almost done. Let's just adjust the antenna clip here. I'm going to use a plastic so I don't short anything out. So, plastic tool. Make sure this sits properly. So, the holes are aligned. And this is fitted properly, sits right in there just fine. So, we're going to take the other screwdriver. Let's see here. Make sure I did everything alright. And I don't think I saw anything that said that I shouldn't check to see if all the screws in the phone were tight, but I'm just going to do that just for shits and giggles. Because we all know how we handle our phones. So just to be on the safe side, I'm just going to make sure all the little screws are tight, which all of my screws are not tight. I'm glad I'm tightening them now. But don't tighten them too much. So, actually, since I'm here, I'm going to remove the dust from the inside of my lens on the camera, on the flash, because it's kind of dirty. So, now we're going to take these two micro mini screws and put them back in. Oh, scheiße. Come on. So, thankfully they're magnetized, and the screwdriver is magnetized, or else it'd be a hell of a time putting it back in. So let's get this centered, the antenna, the little antenna bracket. Okay, let's see here. So let's see, that has to go to, yeah. So, should be fine. So the first screw is in. And like I said before, don't tighten the screws too tight because you don't want to strip them. Because if you do, then you really have the ass card. Or in German they say the Arschkarte. So the second screw, mounting it, or screwed in right now. That's tight. Everything's tight. So basically, I'm done. So now we take the housing. I'm going to take the housing and slide it back in. I do this correctly? Let's see. Let's see, what did I do wrong? Yeah, so it just slides. Well, it did slide into place. Yeah, okay. So basically, we're finished. I'm finished, at least. So I want to grab these two screws. The first two screws that you remove from the bottom of the phone. So, let's screw these babies right in. Oh, wrong screwdriver. So, first one's in. Let's get the second one in. So, that one's tight. This one's tight. And, ladies and gentlemen, meine Damen und Herren, I hope my phone turns on now. But like I saw in all the videos and all the tutorials, and also it states in the how-to manual in German. Excuse me. It says, ja, schrauben Sie nun die beiden Pentalobe-Schrauben wieder in die Gehäuse und laden Sie, das erste Mal laden Sie der Akku komplett auf. Yeah, so here's the ultimate test. Let's plug in my cable here, my charging cable. So, ladies and gentlemen, meine Damen und Herren, this is the ultimate test. Plugging it in. And if you can see, it shows the charging indicator. So that means, look at that. Hot diggity damn. I think, I'm not going to say anything until this, until it boots up completely. But that's a good sign. And that's my webcam, as you can see. Do, 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 do. Dun 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 dun. So, I'm gonna leave this sitting here. Put everything back together. You know, this really wasn't complicated, and I know there's places that charge in America, you know, $29, $39, $49, $59, or even more to just replace the battery. But really, it's not that simple, or it's not that hard. Quite simple. You just need to make sure you don't lose the screws and you have the right tools to complete the task. So, let's see here. So, it says here, SIM locked, 55% battery. So we're going to go ahead and slide to unlock. And we're going to unlock the SIM card. So you put in your password. So it's unlocking. Pin entry succeeded. So now just wait to see if it finds the network, a cell phone network. Okay. It's not finding my network, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off my network. Oh, there we go. Hot diggity damn. So the test that I'm going to do right now, just to see if it really has found the network, even though it shows it, I'm just going to go ahead and open up. Let's make this a little bit brighter. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Oh, that's a little bit too bright. So there we go. I'm going to go ahead and just open up WhatsApp. And if WhatsApp opens up and connects, Kevin, you wrote me? Yeah. So, look at this. Looks like it's working just fine. Huh. Good job, Jordan. Way to do that shit, Hourglass. So, I have now successfully changed the battery in my iPhone 4S. But still, before I, rank them and give them stars or give them any feedback, I'm going to, charge my phone a few times and just see what happens. I'm going to turn off my phone right now. Unplug it. Then I'm going to plug it back in and hope it turns on again. Make sure with the old battery, your old iPhone battery, you don't throw it in the trash because it'll end up at some landfill, or it'll end up in the Rhine River, or it'll end up somewhere where it shouldn't be. So make sure to dispose of this properly. So phone's off. Let's go ahead and plug it back in. And hopefully it lights up. Bam! That's how you get it done, right there. Easy as cheesy. Easy as breezy. Easy as can be. And put the old battery back in this little plastic bag where the new battery came in. And you know what? Even though this battery is crap and it doesn't really hold a charge, I'm still going to hold on to it just in case. Achtung, die volle Akkukapazität zu erreichen, muss der Akku direkt nach dem Einbau zwingend vollständig geladen werden. Yes, that means as soon as you have replaced the battery, it has to be completely fully charged. Good old Chomen. Jawohl, Kamerad. So, it's booted up. Gonna go ahead and unlock it again. Well, that was damn easy. So, now it's searching for my network, my cell network, and it's found it. So now it's still at 56%. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it charging until it's completely full, and then we'll see what happens. So thank you for watching. This is DJ Hourglass coming to you from Gelsenkirchen, Germany, signing out. Goodbye, good luck, auf Wiedersehen, ciao, Tschüssikowskis, hau rein, mach es gut, Glück auf, zum Wohl, Servus, Grüezi, Grüß Gott, Salam Alaikum, До свидания, hasta la vista, sayonara, shalom, goodbye. I don't know any other language. enjoy. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.